Delhi NCR, capital to the largest democracy of the world, not only serves to its 3 crore people but also is home to a variety of flora and fauna. Talking about birds in specific, there are more than 400 species recorded in NCR region, including residents, migrants, and vagrants. Let's walk you through some of the birds of Delhi and its surroundings, starting with the commoners. Among the most common species, white-throated kingfisher comes among the top contenders in the list for any bird owl. Indian silverbill, smaller than the size of a house sparrow, they can be found in various parts of Delhi. The most common bee eater of all is the green bee eater, and also it is the most photographed bird as well. Purple sunbird, Delhi's only sunbird which one can spot feeding nectar from flowers. Indian bushlark can be found in the grasslands and near the Aravali range. Oriental magpie robin is among the most commonly seen birds and can be spotted in any garden or park. While watching this video, do subscribe to my channel for more such content. Coppersmith barbet, one of the smallest barbets, can be spotted in the parks too. This dove can be seen around all areas of NCR. Common hoopoe, another bird which is easily identified due to its unique beak and crest. You can see how it pegs into the ground to find its prey. Long-tailed shrike, shrunk off its tail, that's why it called so. Crested lark, it is the most commonly seen lark among its family. Lastly, in the list of common birds, we have spotted owlets. It can also be seen in the parks and sanctuaries as well. Among the various resident and migratory birds, most of them lives around the water bodies. Some of them are shown in the next set of water birds. A red-crested pochard. It's a winter migrant. Glossy ibis, a wading bird found near these water bodies. Sarus crane, often found near the wetlands, can also be seen in the open grounds near to such wetlands where they perform the mating rituals. Painted stork is the most common stork one can see. Here we have an intermediate in grade. Common moorhen. It's a resident bird and breeds here only. Grey-headed swampern can be seen near the shallow waters. Eurasian spoonbill is another migratory species and can be seen mostly near the water bodies. Grey wagtail can also be seen near the water bodies and sometimes near to the man-made structures. Among the uncommon birds, according to me, this weaver comes in my mind, a close cousin to common Baya weaver. Brahmin starling also has a limited distribution in NCR region. Ashy crowned sparrowlark is also seen in some parts of NCR, mostly near the open land with bare ground, grass or scrub. Before moving to next bird, do subscribe to my channel for more such content. Red collar dove, common in many parts of India. This dove is quite uncommon in NCR region. This marathon runner is none other than Indian thickney. Unlike red water lapwing, this yellow water lapwings are not so human friendly, thus found only in bare lands and grasslands. Singh sparrows, often mistaken as house sparrows, are also uncommon birds in Delhi NCR. Red avidavids or munia is a beautiful small bird from finch family and can be spotted near the reeds. Out of all birds, there are some rare sightings which happens every year. This is a variable wheatear. It was seen in Aravali for the very first time. Common in its name but not in Delhi is the common kestrel. A flock of tri-colored munia is rare to be seen in this region as well. Lastly, orange-headed thrush, the most famous yet rare sightings of Delhi NCR. Since the list is never ending, I'll come up with more videos on NCR birding in future too. That's all for this time. Do let me know in comments how do you find this video, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, stay inside and stay safe.